Let's take you out live right now to Clearwater Beach. 4th of July, just around the corner. First, we got to get through the weekend and the rest of the week, right? So
yeah,
you can expect the heat, right, Bobby?
Yeah, and it doesn't really look like there's any break in that through the upcoming weekend. Now, Monday and Tuesday, rain chances will come back up. So we'll have to dodge some of those showers for fireworks. But other than that, that will help to actually cool us a little bit in the afternoon. If you notice, the skies there at the beach are as clear as can be. The sea breezes come in. It's a west wind. Back in Tampa, you still see some of these low clouds. So, yeah, a little bit of shade. And can't rule out a sprinkle from those as well, too. But that's all working its way inland. So throughout the rest of the afternoon hours, we're going to get more and more sunny right along the immediate coast. Temperatures will go to the low to even some mid-90s. Some warmer spots, mainly out in Polk County, will be about 94, 95 degrees. But when you factor in that air temperature and the dew points that are near 80, it is incredibly hot out there. So if you get a quick shower, good for you, and some shade from the clouds, enjoy it, because it's not going to last too long along the coast. All right, let's get over to the weather wall. Let's talk about that heat. Temperatures now along the immediate coast, 93 in Tarpon Springs. Won't get much hotter than that. The water temperature is about 90. The wind's coming in off of that. 91 in West Chase and Safety Harbor. Newport Richey's about the same. 93 in Land O'Lakes, Wesley Chapel right now. 91 in Davis Islands. 94 in Ruskin, and 96 at Sun City Center. I mean, guys, when you 93 right now in Riverview, factor in the humidity with the dew point of about 80 degrees. That makes it feel, but that number runs a little bit high, but that's about 108 to 110 is what it feels like right now. We've got 108 feels like in Bartow, 101 in Tampa, 106 in St. Pete. Criteria for watches or advisories, heat advisories, is 108. We're really close. Talking to the guys at the Weather Service, it's like, well, it's kind of a horse apiece. We're going to be very close to it. And if you look at the forecast for Tampa, by about 1:30 or so, we're right there. So treat it like we've got an advisory. It's just extremely hot out there. We will cool gradually throughout the afternoon, but not a lot. We won't see that cooling until obviously when the sun starts to get lower in the afternoon. Now, the humidity, it doesn't really go anywhere. It's going to stay on that really uncomfortable and oppressive side through Tuesday, through the 4th of July. Air temps stay hot next couple of days, but you see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and that's not a big difference. And these numbers are actually a little bit high. You can kind of shift everything down. But that break is because we're going to see some extra clouds. And so the clouds and some showers in the afternoon, Monday and Tuesday, will help to cool us a little bit. There's the sea breeze line right there. That's why it's sunny up and down the coast. This will try and work its way inland slowly. I don't think it gets too far today. And as a result, we're going to see some scattered showers in the area. Had one trying to form down here over the southern part of Pinellas, more off the coast of Inglewood and off of Venice. But right now, we're relatively dry. The forecast model is saying showers and storms develop along that sea breeze line this afternoon. 1:30, 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then mainly I-4 southward for inland locations for the rest of the afternoon. Tomorrow, I think it's drier than today, so we're not talking a lot of rain. There's your forecast for the next 12 hours, coming into the 90s, then slowly down through the 90s and 80s for this evening. West winds to the northwest at 5 to 10 knots. Water temperature just checked in at 89 degrees. Your Friday forecast shows 93 to 95 and mainly dry, plus the humidity's there. We could get an advisory, a heat advisory for tomorrow. You see both the weekends are mid-90s with rain chance going about 10% on Saturday, but by Sunday afternoon, I do think we'll see a few afternoon showers and storms. All that smoke up north, I think today is the worst. Watch this as we go through the next 24 hours. You notice things do get better for them as we get into tomorrow. But I'll tell you what, I'm watching some cams around the area today, D.C. to Ohio to Illinois. It's not looking pretty up there with all that smoke. For us, it is looking good. 4th of July is Tuesday. A 50 to 60% chance for those late day showers and storms.